One of my favorite privateers, Logan Karnow, posted this photo on his Instagram a few days ago because, well, he wanted to tease his new sponsor, which, if you paid attention last year, he had his full-time major sponsor back out, and being the good social media guy he is, I don't know how this worked out, but reached out to apparently some OnlyFans girls, Audrey Asana, the Hannah Ray, a couple others, and he got sponsorships from a different demographic. Apparently, this is a big, either, depending on what side of the coin you're on, either a good thing because it's bringing a different audience, or a bad thing because, the fan-friendly side of it. Personally, I think it's great. If you can be like him, work hard, race, find your own sponsors, I don't think this is a problem. If you're not, obviously, if you're going to look at it, you're going to look at it anyways. It doesn't matter whether he's promoting it or not. But it's a 50-50 thing. People apparently are kind of mad about it. Apparently, I don't see the problem here. But in the comments below, you tell me. Do you think this is good? Because, obviously, different viewership, bringing more money in. Obviously, OnlyFans being the massive site that it is now, helping out a privateer. I think it's great. I think it's great for him. It's awesome. Why not? If you're going to work hard and you can find your own sponsors and you can fund your own series and your whole, your own program, this is great for him, and I think it's great for the sport because it's just more money, more viewership, different fans, maybe a demographic that wouldn't have watched it before, but whatever it is, comments down below. You tell me, do you think this is a good thing? Do you think this is a bad thing? Are you happy for him? Do you think this will be a more reoccurring thing? I know Josh Heron in Moto America is sponsored by OnlyFans too, like the actual site. So you tell me, comments below, tell me what you think, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.